Lorex's 4K camera lineup continues to offer great solutions for all your security needs. Part of the Nocturnal line of cameras, the LNB9232 is made of high-grade aluminum and can be mounted horizontally or vertically and is ideally suited for exterior usage. Let's see how to install it at a side yard area beside a garage. We'll first attach the camera to the faceplate of the junction box S1J-F2G, available from the Lorex Technology website. Remove the front plate from the box and push the rubber stopper from the hole in the plate. Gently run the camera cabling through the front plate hole. Align the corner bolts of the camera base with the matching threaded holes on the junction box cover. Using the supplied hex bolts, simply secure each corner with the supplied Allen bolts using the Allen key included in the kit. Outside, we've drilled through the brick exterior, gaining access to the garage on the other side. The supplied Cat5e cable has been pushed through the hole in the brick. And also drilled 2 holes to insert anchors needed to attach the junction box to the brick wall. We've removed some of the foam backing on the junction box, uncovering the access hole in the box. A minimum of 2 screws are needed to secure the box to the wall. Thread the Ethernet cable through the back of the junction box and secure the junction box to the wall using 2 or more screws. Once the box is secure, simply connect the camera cabling to the Cat5e run through the junction box. Insert and tighten the connector housing. Gently wrap the excess cabling inside the junction box and place the camera and front plate assembly into place. Using the supplied Allen key, secure the camera and front cover to the junction box by tightening the 4 hex bolts. Once the camera is fully installed, adjust the angle of the camera by loosening the Phillips set screw on the neck of the camera base. Rotating the camera around is easy by simply ratcheting the ball joint into place. Retighten the set screw once the desired angle is achieved. The camera is now fully installed outside. Connect the other end of the Cat5e cable to the Lorex NVR and the camera is ready for monitoring. The LNB9232 delivers incredible images in both day and night. Using the camera setting menu on the NVR, you can select a number of video settings, including Wide Dynamic Range or WDR, which will show a broader range of contrast and far more details in the darker areas of the image. Backlight mode enables the camera's unique pixel technology and supplies a more contrasted image without sacrificing details. The camera records in 4K UHD resolution and up to 30 frames per second, which keeps recorded video extremely smooth and jitter-free. At night, the camera delivers amazing images. When an external light is triggered by an intruder, the camera can resolve high-quality color images. The LNB9232 is a premium security camera that delivers stunning images with a wide range of features that will provide years of quality imaging for all your security needs.